Hi, my name is Shalika Robinson. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing iTips or microlinks. And I am a certified extension specialist through Dreamcatchers. And Dreamcatchers basically offers 100% human hair cuticle Remy extensions. And the Remy hair, what it means is that the cuticle is still intact and the hair is laying in the same direction. So typically the iTips is perfect for clients who do or don't want to use any adhesive, and they offer full point and half point options, which is suitable for all hair types. The half points are the perfect solution for fine hair clients, and they are also to be used with, you can also use for highlighting. So let's get into some of the colors. Here's my color swatch. They have over 50 different colors. See if you can see it. So if you want to go with one color, you can go pink for a day if you like. Or if you just want a simple highlight, you can do that as well. They also have different types of hair, like curly or straight. All right, so let's get into the installation. The things that we'll be using, of course, will be the hair strands. This is what this is called. I've already used the comb. We'll be using the Dreamcatchers pliers. I like the double-sided prong clip, and that helps me kind of separate the hair. And a threader. Dreamcatchers have this long threader that they provided. It's a large, long threader. You can put a lot of cylinders up there. And these are the cylinders, the cylinder tower. And it comes in different colors to match the client's hair. You match it. But I went out and got a Amazon threader because it's a lot better for me. And here you'll see the cylinders on the bottom. You will want to face the cylinders, the thicker part of the cylinder. I don't know if you can see that, the thicker part of the cylinder on the bottom. All right, so you would just basically start off . All right, iTips should be adjusted every 4 to 6 weeks. Let's get into it. You would begin at the nape of the hair and just use the sectioning comb, or for me, I have the clip to part the hair in a clean row. You'll part it in a clean row, at least an inch into the hairline. And how I measure an inch is 2 fingers above the hairline. And you part the hair. You want to grab, start in the middle, I'm sorry, and take a pinch of hair that is the same width as the cylinder. I've already started a few, so that's why I'm going to the side. You can go to the right or left once you start in the middle. Grab the piece of hair that's the same width as your cylinder. And then you want to take the section of the natural hair and guide it through the opening of the threader. And be sure to stay close to the scalp for full control. And then you want to slide the cylinder to the top of the threader next to the scalp, as you can see. Be sure that the wider brim of the top is facing down. Firmly hold the cylinder in place. And then hold the threader and pull until the natural hair slides completely through the cylinder, which we already did, and then keep the cylinder stable on the side of the finger. And then you want to take the eye tip and put it in, which I just did, and make sure that it's not above the cylinder. Take your pliers and close your eye tip. And all right, so I'm going to show you one more time. You basically pull the hair through. And make sure it's up to the scalp, but not pinching the client. Apply the strand of hair and make sure that the strand isn't above the cylinder. And then just tighten it. So there you go. And as you can see, the versatility. All right, and we recommend a satin or a silk pillowcase, which your stylist can provide. Or you can go out and get one, or a silk scarf or something to keep the hair. It keeps the hair soft and static free. You want to put the hair in a ponytail. That way, while you're sleeping, it's not clamping onto anything or getting tangled. And do not go to bed with wet hair. This may cause tangling, and it will also mat the hair. So if this occurs, just contact your stylist. You don't want to attempt coloring the hair while it's in your hair. You want to do your coloring before you actually do the eye tips. And if you have some swimming activity or anything like that, I do not use any chemical-based sunscreens or anything like that near the extensions because it may cause discoloration. And before the activities, I advise you to rinse the hair first and put it in a ponytail. As stated before, you can use a little bit of leave-in conditioner, but put it in a ponytail or braid it, and then spray the leave-in conditioner when you're out of the water as well, and wash and rinse the hair after you finish your activity. Thanks for joining my channel today. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.